Today, I'll show you how to make a custom callout title in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're highlighting a particular detail or adding a professional touch to your videos, mastering custom callouts can significantly enhance your storytelling. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up DaVinci Resolve and head over to the edit page. Here, you'll want to add a text plus title. You can find this by clicking on the effects library, then selecting titles and dragging the text plus option onto your timeline. Once you've placed it, click on the text plus clip and switch over to the Fusion tab. This is where the magic happens and you'll be creating your custom callout. In the Fusion tab, you'll see the text plus node already in place. This is where you'll customize the label part of your callout. Feel free to type in your desired text, adjust the font, the size, and color to match the style of your video. Remember, the clearer the text, the more effective your callout will be. So choose a font and color that stand out against your background. Next, you need to create a line that will point to the subject you want to highlight. For this, you'll add a polyline node. You can do this by right-clicking in the node editor, selecting Add Tool, then Mask, and choosing Polyline. With the polyline node selected, start drawing a line from the label towards the area of interest in your video. To draw the line, simply click to create points and adjust them to form the desired shape. The line can be straight or have multiple bends depending on what best suits your callout. Once your line is drawn, it's time to piece everything together. Connect the output of the polyline node to the merge node, which combines the text and the line. You can do this by dragging the output circle of the polyline node to the merge node. This will overlay the line onto your text, making them a cohesive callout element. Now, let's position the text and the line together. You can adjust the position of the entire callout by selecting the merge node and using the on-screen controls to move it around. Place it so that the line is pointing accurately to the subject and the text is clearly visible. This step ensures that your callout is not only visually appealing but also informative and easy to understand. Finally, let's add some dynamism to your callout by animating it. You can animate either the length of the line or the position of the text to make your callout pop. To do this, set keyframes in the inspector panel for the polyline or text plus nodes. For example, if you want the line to draw itself in, animate the length parameter in the polyline node. Alternatively, animate the position of the text to make it slide in or out. These animations can be subtle, yet effective in grabbing your audience's attention. And there you have it. You've just created a custom callout title in DaVinci Resolve. By following these steps, you can make your videos more engaging and informative, ensuring your message is conveyed clearly. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to create stunning callouts that perfectly suit your storytelling needs. Happy editing!